Okay, so this video, I just wanted to go over some very common PEX fittings and just kind of touch on how to identify and size them. So these are T's for obvious reasons. Anytime you size a PEX fitting, you want to put the big side of the T down. So this would be 3/4 by 3/4 by half. This one here, big side down, 3/4 half half. PEX T. Big side down, 3/4 half 3/4 PEX T. This is the only one you can't. I mean, you still size it like that, but you just can't stand it like that. But this is otherwise known as a bullhead T. It's a little more rare, but they do have their uses. So that's kind of a specialty T you don't use quite as much. Let's see, this is just standard 3/4 PEX T, 1/2 inch. So this is a 1/2 inch coupling, and they all look the same, just vary in size. This would be a 1 inch by 3/4 PEX coupling, reducer coupling, excuse me. Again, not something you just use every 10 minutes, but they definitely have their use. Standard 1 inch coupling. Just give you some size. 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch. So again, just this one's 3/4 by half reducing coupling. You always, when you name them, call the larger number first. So yeah, just a quick little vid to kind of, for those that don't know, so like you know what you're looking for at the store, because it's, you have to size them correctly. Like you wouldn't call this 1/2 by 3/4 by 3/4. See, it's always the bigger one first. So 3/4 half 3/4. 3/4 3/4 half. So 3/4 half half. So that's how you know what you're looking for when you go to reading labels at Lowe's, Home Depot, and all that. But please give me a quick like and subscribe, because I've got a lot more videos coming just about modern plumbing, including material, parts, tools, just any and everything. So yeah, thank you. Good luck in the plumbing world.